Alright Levi, so what did you learn about piddling in the wind? Don't piddle into the wind? Yeah, well, that's that. He's just laughing in the back there. Anyways, sun's out, but it's still windy, and we're just about to head into Will's Beach Shack in Kingston. So, it's looking pretty good. I think this wind will die down in the next little bit. We'll get some... Hey, here we are, set up Will's Beach Shack in Kingston, southeast. This place is sick. Right on the beach, it's just behind the tea tree behind me. I'll put the drone up in a minute and we're going to have a look around. But coming up, we've got heaps of surfing, some really good four-wheel driving in around Little Dip National Park on the beach. A few people bogged, which is good. And here we are, set up right behind us. It's going to be 30 to 40 today. We've got the fans going, families in the shade. We're just going to be in and out of the water for the next few days, just having fun.
Yep.
Living life.
We're going to have dinner down at the water today.
Yes, we might even get some film of us cooking up. Take the Weber down the beach.
Yep.
And have a cook up. Peace out. This is a way to spend your birthday, huh?
Happy birthday, Mummy! Yeah! Beach day!
Birthday, beach, drinks, and surfing, eh, dog?
Yeah, that's surfing is
find you some surf lessons, I think.
How have you
Yeah.
going, mate? What do you... So Parker's had his first day on the surfboard today. He stood up a couple of times. You don't get wet.
I think that's impossible. I'm gonna go grab mine.
So here we are, Kingston Beach, about halfway between Kingston and the Granites. It's a nice little kiddie wave. And Parker's killing it. Aren't you, mate?
Yeah. Until I fall off.
You never learn by not falling off, mate. That one looks alright. Paddling, paddling, paddling. Stand up. Alright, it's a Little Dip National Park in Robe. Hitting up the difficult track. Yeah, it should be fun. Let's hope we don't get stuck, eh? Let's get some footage. Yo! Not enough beans. But check out the view, so good. Water's just Mickey Mouse. Bit windy, bit cold.
Yeah.
We're not going in it.
No.
New Year's Eve camp cook up. Set up ourselves on the beach. Oh, this is going to be a sick night. It's about 30 degrees. Been at the beach all day. Tell by the zinc, huh? Kids and the fam are out there in the water. Nice patch. Some other families around. Kingston, Christmas time. Pork's about ready to cook. Let's have a squeeze. What a day. Been at the beach all day. It's just been sick, actually. Exactly what we like to do. Just sit at the beach. Campground's like 50 metres that away, down that little path there. And we're just hanging out. It's just sick. Here's the pork. Check it out. Ooh, crackling. Maybe not so good, but
It's been on there for
it's going to be alright, I think.
hours.
Gotta see this. This is just unreal. Sitting on the beach, just had dinner. Check out this sunset. We've been on the beach all day. Here's our camp. Parker's still finishing the last bits of it. Weber set up, just cooling off. And there's the sunset. This is living. End of 2021.